Okay, traders, welcome to a quick so this is Gold Spot, and it is analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 21st of April to 25th of April. So it's just a 5 days market move on gold. Actually, we're going to look on the technical part of the analysis and actually make sure that you watch or you observe news when you are trading based on this analysis, and also make sure that you do your own analysis. And this analysis is going to be a top-down analysis from monthly time frame, then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame is where I provide the possible entry levels for the coming week. So make sure that you watch this video until the 4-hour time frame. So actually I'm in a monthly time frame, and in monthly time frame what we see is just a continuation of the bullish momentum. Now we see actually the current monthly candle often moved to the downside, but later buyers came in pushing price to the upside, and this formation indicate that there's a possibility of continuation to the upside. So actually we have left with 11 days for the monthly candle to close. So now we expect now monthly candle is going to close with the bullish momentum maintained to the upside. But the overall picture, we are looking for now in the near future, we are looking for a possible fourth wave down here. So this doesn't mean that we are going to sell. No, we still have some movements to the upside in completion of the fifth wave, of the third wave. Then later we'll be now expecting this correction in the fourth wave. So lower time frames are going to tell us a lot about the possible future move in the coming week. So now straightforward in weekly time frame, we see markets getting more clear, whereby we see a clear 5-wave move to the upside in completion of the third wave. So we see currently we are approaching this trend line level where the fifth wave is expected to be completed. So actually the internal waves are clearly seen in lower time frame. So we see now exactly what is happening inside. But by looking on the current formation now, what we expect is we still have slight push to the upside to fill this gap up to this technical level of this trend line. And actually the momentum is suggesting a potential continuation to the upside, because we see the candlesticks are still stronger to the upside. Okay, then going straight forward in daily time frame. Okay, so looking on daily time frame, we see a clear trending to the upside. The wave counts are clear, and as I've said, in weekly time frame we are expecting completion of the fifth wave to the upside, and we have those clear technical levels indicated here. Now we see the momentum here increased. And now this was indicated by this level down, these 3 candles down here. This was the clear confirmation of a possible stronger buy opportunity, and things happened in the same way. So currently when we look closely on these 2 candlesticks, now this also suggests a possible continuation to the upside, because now we see this candle is a full candle, and the next one tried to push to the downside and almost to the 50% level, then a rejection happened. So now straightforward we are expecting the next candle is going to open straight to the upside, and actually we see there's a level marked up here. So this is the psychological level, now a level around 3,400. So in most cases we expect the price is going to react at this level. So either price can break and continue to the upside, or can reject and reverse to the downside. So in 4-hour time frame we can see exactly how are we going to handle these levels, but the overall picture is continuation of price to the upside. And then the last time frame, or the final, is just the 4-hour time frame. And in a 4-hour time frame now we see clearly there's a channel introduced here, and the price is respecting the levels of the channel, and currently we have just touched the lower channel, and clearly price has reacted by creating a stronger rejection from the level. That is beautiful. And another good thing is now the next 4-hour candle opened with the bullish momentum, so it is maintaining a bullish momentum. So this is the clear indicator that this trend line here, the support, has supported the price, and we expect it to break above the previous high. So a new high is expected to be created. So that's the overall picture at the current time frame, looking on the candlesticks and the trend line, and also including the levels of support and resistance. We have this nearly resistance level, so price is expected to break above, and also we have the next psychological level. So this also may be broken if price is going to complete the fifth wave up here, and if rejections or failure of break of this level is going to happen, so it is possible and the price will reverse now in formation of the fourth wave that was indicated in monthly time frame. So how are you going to trade next week? Okay, fine. So next week we'll be watching straightforward for a possible continuation of price push to the upside and break above the nearly resistance level. Then if this will be broken, price break and close above, so we'll see for a possible retest and take some buy opportunities up to the levels of 3,400. And now if this level will be broken and price close above, so we'll be looking also for a retest and a possible buy opportunities up to those levels up there around 3,480. So roughly this level up here. So that is the key trading opportunity that we'll be watching for now the coming week. Then alternatively, if it will happen that price failed to break above this level, now this one, if price will fail to break above this level and move below outside the support, so we'll be watching for a possible retest and a crash of price to the downside. So but I less recommend trading these cells, so in most cases you'll be watching for possible buy opportunities. So that's how we are going to trade next week. Do your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders, and also make sure that you don't trade during news hours unless you are a fundamentalist, so you can just trade the fundamental data. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.